FXBros.
They got a whole disclaimer, you hear me?
Man, you already know. Gotta let the people know. Don't come at us talking about y'all lost money. Cause y'all
Wait,
made
this
us
so
go
funny.
buy.
Coming in the first minute with the foolishness.
No, for real. Man, you gotta have a disclaimer, man. People might try to come at you. But yeah, man, we back. You hear me? This is the holiday special. Try to get your last few pips in before Santa Claus come to town. And we get a rally.
Bro, stuff is moving already, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah, man.
Well, as far as, you know.
They must be getting them billions of dollars the Fed and pushed into the market. They must be cashing out right now, like checks hitting balances right now.
Early.
Bro, gold is up 1%.
That $750 million you requested is deposited into your account right now.
Right now.
Come get it, because we got ours, man. But yeah, man, we are. Let's just take a brief overview of everything. Look at the dollar. See what the dollar is, man. Let's go to the daily. See what the dollar is. Dollar's still ranging. But look what the dollar did. This is the start of the year. This yellow line. We peaked at 110 and tizanked. It started ranging. Go take a look at when Trump was first in office and go see what the dollar did. So nothing but round two. But nonetheless, yeah, we're already starting to see bearishness in the dollar, so we're waiting for the next level, this strong level right here. This was previous consolidation right here at like 97, well, really 98 flat. So we're waiting for price to really close underneath 98. Then we can start seeing more sales. But to kind of go with that, if we look at UJ ran up on Friday. And as you can see, the dollar really only did this.
JPY had some really negative news.
What happened? You
know? Not necessarily. I just was looking at the news, I think Friday, and they something had dropped.
Oh, I think the interest rates. Let me see. Let me check. I don't know if I can check last week. I think they had interest rates.
But yeah, it was bad. I think Thursday or Friday. Thursday night. It was like probably midnight or something. Almost.
Thursday interest rate decision. Yeah, it went up 25 basis points. So that bitch had 0.75. Still lowest cheese, but that's what it was Thursday evening.
Mm-hmm.
And if we look at UJ, let's pull up UJ right quick. You can see what happened. Well, one thing you can see what happened, I got stopped out. That's one thing I have. But yeah, this ran up Friday, 1 o'clock in the morning. Really probably 12. So right after that news dropped, it started running up. This was like 5, 6. That's 4 hours. So 5 to 9, 9 to 1. So yeah. Damn. That's crazy. I didn't know. Damn, that market reacted like that to 25 basis points. That's crazy. That's just crazy. I don't really put together. And that damn volume.
Yeah, bro, it went crazy. GJ went crazy. UJ going crazy. Everything is doing its thing.
200, 200 pips. That bitch did in what, 12 hours roughly? Not even 24 hours. Like this on Friday early in the morning. Not really. Thursday. Yeah, Thursday evening. Holding all the way to Friday close. Yeah. Put 200 in a day. That's not bad. But what I wanted to point out was if we look at the daily, we see this strong resistance right here where market sold off in January. So that's the beginning of UJ. So we sold off, made a low in April. I guess you could say tariffs. And now we are quickly running up. I would say that is, I'm going to say that's not a sustainable move for UJ with this daily push up. The only way that's going to be sustainable, this next candle, this next daily, which is Monday. I don't know if I want to say it has to, but that shit, like, it really got to print at least 50% of that damn candle.
50% of his last candle.
Yeah, I'm gonna tap in with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this daily candle, like
Something
this
gotta
next
close
candle.
up there. Yeah.
Yeah, it like
Yeah.
like I don't know what's 50%.
I feel
Something
that.
like it gotta be like damn. And that's the lowest it can pull back, but it need to be up here. Like real talk. From
I,
this point to
I
here.
ain't looking, but that sound real nice up.
But I'm just saying, off of this one move, like look
Look.
how it typically starts to move up. Like it'll have that last explosion and then it'll start to sell off, which it did there. See, well, look, even over here, it had that one last explosion, and then it started to kind of consolidate and sell off. And that was at the end of the year. That was December 19th. Mhm. But his ass Slim. But yeah, man.
What's down, y'all?
What's
What's
poppin'?
up? Going over this shit.
Shit, nothing that work holding down the fort.
You
Man.
feel?
But yeah,
Yes, sir.
Somebody gotta do it.
we broke that level and consolidated again for more people to get in, and yeah, that bitch just sold
Uh,
out. But now we retesting that area, like, and
yeah,
that's another thing. Not only does this candle need to be bullish, just like I said, no less than 50% of that candle, but it need to break this. So
that's
I'm
what
gonna
I'm
put that up
looking at.
there. Yeah,
I need to break that there. Did JPY start moving yet today?
yeah, a little
Um,
bit, but it's bearish right now. Like
if,
it's
if
indecision.
that's the candle from today, nah, that's it. Nah, that's last week. It hasn't started yet.
It
Um,
printed a
J,
bearish engulfing 4 hour just now on the 48.
JXY.
JXY.
Yeah, I'm talking about JXY. It
Oh,
doesn't open till 7 in the morning, apparently.
yeah.
But
Check them
yeah,
out. Yeah.
that's when we're gonna see some real movement. I'm sure,
It's
for
that
sure
volume
movement.
on Friday.
Unless the dollar dropping as far as what we're seeing.
Yeah.
But it's still in the. I
Like if
mean,
the
it's
dollar, like I said, the dollar break 98, that bitch gonna do it.
yeah.
I
If they could
mean,
break
the next
98,
level
they could
is
probably do what 98.8. I'm talking about buys.
the buys.
Yeah, I was thinking about buying. I'm looking at the buys on it. It had to break that 98.8. I was thinking, and
Yeah,
continue up. But if it break that 98.55 area and close like 98.55 and close on the 4 hour in that area, really, I'm gonna say
that'll be a
really
signal that's
4.45. Yeah, 98.45. If it closed at 98.45 on a 4 hour, the DXY, then that bitch bearish for sure. It's a for sure that bitch gonna go. There ain't no question.
and then you
That,
gonna see J sell off and respect this resistance right here. It's gonna sell off along with the dollar. It should. I mean, it's I want to say it's 90%, 95%, something that correlated with the dollar, like whatever the dollar does usually, because it's a USD dominant there. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We got a lot of wicks all the way up there. 157.
I am
UJ.
about to, let me see. From looking at, I mean, just looking at what it's doing right now, though. You know what I'm saying? Because you can't, if nobody wants to wait, when you're trading for it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would just buy it and wait. That mug is a for sure goer from the looks of it, bro. The news just moved for one day, moved the hell out the market, but I mean that news must have been really bad. That
I mean,
Thursday night news, man. Uh,
it's, I guess
I'm about to
it,
be done added on GJ, bro. On buys on GJ. I ain't gonna cap. This bitch looking good for more up push.
yeah. GJ.
Um,
Oh, GJ. Damn, that
yeah,
was Friday.
I got in that bitch Thursday night.
Yeah. Nah, that's what's up.
That bitch
So
been
that bitch
pushing.
pop.
That bitch
That was
been,
out there news too.
yeah.
That's all that news. That shit popped at the same time.
That's what happened. I'm gonna try to see if I can hold them things out, boy. And that bitch just keep going. Shit, I'm gonna let that month close. See what that next month open like.
And this bitch.
Yeah, we try to monthly hold that bitch, but
Oh
that's if
shit.
it don't. That's if it don't drop. That's if it don't drop on me. I'm gonna see. I just wanted to keep going. Goddamn, it's looking good so far. If it don't give me like no negative signals as far as like really bad 4 hours, like
This is a definite breakout. It's gonna
yeah, it's
break
still in
out,
breakout
go
pattern right
back.
now.
Nah, for real. Like that last little that week, that last Friday push for that week was, the signal right there. Like that's what I'm saying. Like when stuff do that, like this the weekly. When we get a granted the it did pull back a lot, but that was probably just getting more liquidity and shit during the week. But this candle gonna have to do something. Like it can't if it pulled back and engulf it, then we talking about something else potentially. But yeah, like it got a nice little run, nice little bullish run, some pullbacks right here, retesting shit. But yeah, this week we got a run, so this got to be a bullish week. So it's a good bet based on the previous week to stay with buys on GJ. I think UJ was the same thing, right? Yeah, pretty much UJ.
Yeah, but see, like
Hey,
I
yo,
got that same line that you have right there. You just didn't bust the line yet.
Nah,
That
nah, not yet.
bitch gotta break that weekly high right there.
Yeah.
y'all know when something gonna open up when you know what I'm saying when this when it'll be a good time to start buying buying up something
Honestly,
Shit,
I
I'm about to
I
pull
really
up.
wait till January, but I mean, as
Yeah,
far as like options and stuff,
for
if
sure.
that's what you mean, are you talking options?
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
I
I
mean, for the
mean,
most part, just continue to add money every time you get paid type shit into your Robinhood. That way, when the play do set up, you know, not only
Since
can
it's
you,
Sunday, that's
I
what
have
we
some
need to
money
talk
set to the
about.
side to play with type shit.
yeah, because you don't want to have all your money out. You want to have some reserves too in the account ready to go, just in case of some crazy shit
Right.
happen. Yeah,
So
Right. Yeah.
so
Yeah. I've been setting money to the side and shit.
that's a good.
so I'll be
Hmm.
honest with y'all. I'm new to this as well as far as options, but
Same
I've been
here.
doing my
Uh-huh.
research all weekend. You know, if I'm gonna dive into something, I'm gonna dive into it for real. With as far as with the options, bro, that Robinhood long term is good for right now, but long term, I think it's gonna hit you out more money if you would have went with like something like Charles Schwab or something like that.
Yeah. What the
Charles
like? Cause of their
Schwab,
Right.
fees.
yeah, it's some type of
What you
way
say?
they fees just don't like. I don't fool with the way their fees work.
Especially if you get up to
Like,
like 50K, 75K, you probably
yeah,
gonna get.
them fees start really hitting
Yeah.
differently.
Bro.
Like I was on chat just talking to it about it, like wondering how it worked, and and it was just saying, yeah, you're gonna pay 60. Like Robinhood said, it does free contracts, but it charge on the back end or something like that, and different stuff like that. It was saying, but Charles Schwab would do like 65 cents
I
per
heard.
contract, but
You got Fidelity
that'd be
too.
like $6.50 like a flat rate. You know what I'm saying, for your 100 contract, compared to like Robinhood. Might over time you getting so many contracts, what they hitting you with over the on the back end, you'll be done really be giving way more money compared to you be giving $10, $12. You know what I'm saying,
Right.
per 100, per contract, compared to what Robinhood is taking from you. And yeah, so that's why I'm
I
just
need to
letting
look
y'all
into
know,
that too because
switching
I
over
saw them
to
I saw those what you call them commercials with, like you said, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, how they and it was the other one damn, I can't think of his name. There was another broker.
bro. Gold going so crazy. My broker don't even want to let me buy it. That's
Damn, for real?
crazy. I swear to God, bro. Like that bitch will let me sell it, but that bitch refused to let me. Bitch keep rejecting the order. I sold it and everything just to see. That bitch sold it, but that bitch refused to let me buy it, bro. That's
Oh yeah,
crazy. That's how crazy
Damn.
gold going. That's that crack
gold
account
is
stuff.
that shit is. Did it break all time highs
That bitch is
last
not
Friday?
even. Let me see. I'm about to see if I can move my pendant order up, and that bitch just gonna slap it.
Oh yeah, we all time
I'm gonna
highs.
show them niggas.
I just broke all time highs on Friday.
Yeah, that
No,
bitch
Sunday. It
refused them.
just did it. Oh shit. It just did it today. Damn. Didn't you call like 4,500 by the end of the year? So it's like somebody said that on one of them live.
No, but they wilding for this. I ain't never seen nothing like this before.
Man, cause this is about to be
That's
another
per ounce or something?
yes sir. That's how much that bitch
God damn,
going.
son. This shit used to be 3,500 an ounce.
Man, I'm gonna tell you like this. At the beginning of the year, it was $2,600 an ounce.
So it went down and then it shot up.
Nah, it been going up, nigga.
No, because I thought it was 3,600. I thought it was like over 3K.
Yeah,
From what
in March and April, it kept going up. Look, in January 2024, it was 2,000 an ounce. Like it been going up.
mm,
That bitch been going up. It just had a stupid ass run this year. Like, yeah, it was $3,000 an ounce for like, but since April to about the end of August, and then it just ripped up from there. It just hit 3,400 and never looked back. And now we at 4,300. About to get 44.
damn.
Yeah, that's all right.
That's a legit to that one day too. But,
Shit, that's it's everything at all time highs. So it's like this is the riskiest time to buy. I'm gonna keep it all the way 1,000. Like I've been trading for over 5-6 years. Like, if anything is true, that shit is true. Not saying you can't make money, but that is the
Right.
riskiest time to buy when it's at all-time high.
Bro.
Even though on the flip side, you got documentaries showing, what that was, GameStop just crushing all-time highs daily and weekly. So like, but that's one-off situations. Like every stock don't do that, and that's fact.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's really that was a weird scenario. The same thing
Right.
School going through. Robinhood did the same shit. Like you couldn't. No, I think
Oh yeah, it's
they
less
blocked the
slippage
selling.
as well. You're
They
gonna have
blocked.
less slippages, all type of stuff. Like it's just a whole lot of stuff that you might like wanna switch over for.
Yeah.
Right.
Nah,
Right.
I definitely was kind of thinking of that. I mean, even though I really do like Robinhood business model and what they got going on in the future, like I think they're gonna be one of the big dogs. But like you said, damn all that. If the fees, if you want to keep more of your profits at the end of the day. So if the fees are cheaper and you got, like I said, you running up 20, 30, 50K at that point, like hell yeah, I'll move my money over there because the markets is the markets. You ain't got to place trades with Robinhood if the fees cheap over here. You could just use Robinhood to build an IRA or some shit. 'Cause they got all kind of products. So sooner or later, niggas gonna be selling mortgages.
Talking
Like real talk.
about Robinhood.
Robinhood, yeah. I watched the interview with the CEO. He was like, I want everybody to put their money in my bank, but have everything in house that you want to do, like from 401k, buying stocks, bonds, gold. You could do it
Yeah, tell
all
that boy get
day
that
trade.
slippage together.
Yeah, they're gonna have to
Cause
work on that. It's
cause
probably gonna come from that damn
I'm
Robinhood
keeping it
Gold
real, bro.
platform.
Like when I get on Robinhood, bro, I be trying to
Yeah,
go
that's
look
what
at
it is.
my stock, and I'm looking at on TradingView, and that bug busting. And I'm like going Robinhood, that bit ain't start moving yet. And that bitch showing, the wrong stuff. Man, man, y'all gotta get it together.
Right.
Just with different platforms right now, it is a little bit more complicated to use, but it's so much more worth it once you understand what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? It just make you go do a little bit more research that you should be doing anyway. You know what I'm saying? And you know, it's
That's why I
gonna just
just
make
kind
more
of
sense. Everything made a whole lot more sense. You know what I'm saying? Once I did a little bit more research this weekend.
nah, for real. For that very reason, I pretty much forced myself, and I went and bought the damn Chat GPT. I got the pro plan.
But damn,
I had to
nice.
do it. I was doing too much research on that, and then you get hit with that. Oh, you at your daily limit. You gotta wait some hours. I was like, man, damn this. I'm trying to upload documents, and I want you to analyze the charts for me. Like I got it working now. Like that bitch doing the 1 hour for the Australian dollar for the whole year. Like I'm about to really get into this shit. And as far as data wise, like nigga know how to trade, but it's all about risk to reward, which is 2 to 1. That's the key for that one. I mean, I would think something like UJ would probably be a little bit different. Probably like 3 or 4 to 1. But that whole move so fast. You get a whole lot of pippage. Damn, Bitcoin. Can't figure it out since since the end of the month.
Can't get right, huh?
Can't get right. I don't know.
But yeah, man. Just a lot of stuff came up this weekend, man. Like with stocks and stuff as well. You got to just find out what has the volatility. You know what I'm saying, and find some companies that's starting small. And that's working their way up. They're gonna have more volatility, more most swings for you to get in on good buys, you know, like
Yeah.
real good companies, I'm saying, that you could believe in, that starting from the bottom, you know, and that'll really bring your PL up quicker.
And use AI to help you find those companies. Like just tell it to search it. You can even give it the website to go find the data from, and it's gonna scrape that shit. And you can do further research from there. But like you said, yeah, nigga do need to know what's going on in them companies that you invest. I mean, some kind of no brainer, but some of them hoes, like you definitely need to know debt, revenue, profit, P&L, all that type shit. Like that'll that'll determine a lot, especially when them earnings come out. Cause yeah, I'm done with trading on earnings. I'm holding something in the earnings.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
That
Fuck
shit is
that.
crazy.
Earnings come, boy. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, you don't know. Like
Get your
they can
bread.
have a bad earnings day and run up. Like stocks can actually do
Right,
that shit. I mean,
right.
we seen it in Forex. Nigga
And
get
when you
bad
see the
news.
earnings come out and it start moving, and you see that price action, you could, I say I go with it, because every time it start going that way after, which way it's going, basically.
Right. Especially if it's coming from some level of structure and using that just for that volume.
But just to be trading earnings, hell no,
Nah,
oh no. Now if you was in already, good.
yeah. Damn,
Man,
man,
I'm
boy.
telling you, I
Well,
learned so much over the weekend, and last week as well. What you was gonna say? I'm sorry, somebody was about to
nah,
say something.
I was scared to pull up the stock. Bro, I ain't look at no stock charts all last week because I just kept looking at my account, just keep going down, like 15%,
Bruh,
20%.
it
I'm
was
like, bro,
crazy.
I'm gonna keep it G. I'm gonna keep it all the way real. Like this was a roller coaster ride, but I gave anywhere from 75% to 80% of them profits back by diversifying all of them. Well, I ain't gonna say all of them, but about a good 50 to 60% of them Walmart profits into all them different AI companies, all that tech. And that shit just had a horrible week last week, as you can see. Like Lyft dropped all the way back down to 19, dipped down to 18 cents. Like, oh my god, yeah, bro, that shit was crazy.
Man, the thing they talking about, there's people having technical difficulties all over right now. Dude, some people can't close positions that they're in. I don't give about none of that.
That was an email they
Why
sent you.
y'all not letting me open this damn trade up?
Yeah, see,
I play too much.
you can't buy
I
gold
could
like that
open up
on
trades
Robinhood.
on other stuff. They got ATFs.
Yeah,
I
I
look
guess
like I'm
that's the
on an
same.
ATF, nigga.
I guess that's kind of the same, but not really. That ain't buying gold like spot gold price.
Yeah, they wild for this. But another thing I was saying with options, I learned how to play them. We was doing it wrong. We think just because we
Please
have
tell me, cause I
a far away date that we have to hold to that date. No,
hell no.
the idea is because you having daily decay, especially for out of the money calls, out of the money plays. The
Yeah,
more that you're under your break even every day, you getting hit for
that data.
for, for the theta, which is probably like 40, 60 cents a day per
hmm
contract. You know what
hmm
I'm saying? So that's probably like $6. You know what I'm saying? Say if you got I don't know, just
Now you're
let's
right
say
though.
it's about
On top of
$4
the
to
actual value of the
$5 a
stock.
day,
Yeah,
on top of if the volatility is going down, if like you got in when it started moving after it already did a big move, and then the volatility started to go down when you got in, you're
fact.
also gonna get the effects of the volatility going down and that's gonna also cause your option to lose value.
Yep.
And you're gonna have to wait for price to go above higher and higher levels because your value has gone down.
No, facts. You need
So
the actual stock price to go up. Like
for
tremendous.
example, I got in Little Baby last week, the week before, remember, and I had put in $40. My $40 went up to 200 something, right? I think it was over the next day. I woke up and mug had went all the way down. Like the whole play had reversed and it was about to just start selling off. But I had just got out.
Yeah.
It was still kind of at the top. But man, I only took out like 100. Well, it said, and that's another thing with Robinhood too. I don't know if Schwab gonna do this. Man, I had clocked out at 180, right?
Yeah.
Man, that thing only gave me $130 profit. Man, I was like, oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. So on top of that, I realized, all right,
What
so
was
another
the
Little Baby
difference?
play. What you mean? That's $50. They
But
took out of
so
that
that
play.
was your 40 you put in for the actual contract, you think?
I'm guessing so. I mean, I don't know. It was about $50. But another, all right, so I give you another example on the same play, but I waited a little. It was the same day. It was just another contract for the same play. I was about to get out of that one. I paid $310 for the contract, right? Now I was trying to get out at break even. But when I would try to get out, that thing said 275. I said, never mind, I'm gonna just hold the play, brother.
Wait. It didn't tell you like what is deducting? Like
It didn't even matter, brother. I just I knew that what it was. Now I see how to play it. Now I say, all right, I see how they doing it.
I guess you gotta exit the trade when the volume is high, like liquidity wise. Like they can tell it.
The higher the volatility it is,
The
that's
better
when you
you
want to
could get
get
out of
out.
that trade. Like you could
Now,
close it.
when it just already started volatility too, I noticed you want to wait to the next day and see if it's still gonna start moving. Like you're gonna have the signs. The signs gonna be there. But if you see it ain't trying to break out, boy, wait for the volatility to go down first, and then you get in. You know what I'm saying? After you see that it's ready to move again, don't just get in because it done did a move today. If you missed the move, trust me, you missed the move.
I mean, look
Like
at
you gotta
Lyft.
wait.
Like think about all the people who missed November 4th and 5th, and that bitch right back. It came back twice. The end of the month, and we currently right there at
Where is
$19.
that? What price? Oh, is that the
19.
bottom? It's still at 19.
Yeah.
Damn. No, I
We
thought you
moved.
were saying 23 or something. I was about to say
No,
that
we ran
baffled.
up. That's when we was actually going up in profit when it was at
Right,
23. And then
right.
Friday, well, shit, not Friday, all of last week and the previous week, like it's just like, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. Can't do it no more.
Yeah. So that's just my little small tidbits on the option plays at least. I would rather just like say you hit. Like I also asked Chad. They were saying the real hitters they don't go for the date or whatever. You know what I'm saying for the big old the whoop whoop. Because I started to think about it right, and I'm like, all right. Imagine now that $40 I turned to 230, right? $230. That was like a 700% return. Now imagine this. You close that 700. Now if you think it's gonna keep going, whoop they do. You know what I'm saying? Let it keep going. But take that profit, open a new contract, and you let it go. Like because when you take that 230, right? Now they're gonna probably give you 200 bastards, right? You know what I'm saying? So now you got 200.
Man, them niggas didn't do it for me.
Bruh, it was crazy,
But I
brother.
mean,
It
that
was
was my
crazy.
only one I closed, and that was that Walmart one. Maybe because that bitch was so much in profit. Like, I don't
Yeah,
know.
you
That's
wasn't even paying attention. But peep game. So after you close the 200, right? And say I put 40 in it originally. Just open another one contract for if you think it's gonna keep going so bad and you just want to hold. Because whether you know it or not, if you wait till tomorrow, you're gonna hit more decay than you would if you would have opened a new contract. Because the newer the contract, the better the decay on it.
Depending on your expiry, like you got to get a further expiry.
Right, exactly.
Like 3 months, 6 months,
right.
shit.
I'm talking about like, if you get like 2 week, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Expiration, you done held this play for a week already.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It done did a lot of the move. If you think it's gonna keep going, get out that play. You done hit 700%, 600, whatever, 300%. It could be even 300%. You up 3 times as much as you put in there. Take that out, start over, put the 40 back in there. You know what I'm saying? Now you only risking 40, not 300% of $40. Like if you keep that in there, you're risking everything.
Yep.
Tomorrow that thing could drop and evereverything gone.
Yep.
You heard me? Yep. Like wake up and it dip for no reason. Like
that's
gap down. You feel
that's
me?
What happened, bro. That's
and
what happened to Oracle, dog.
This how that shit work, bro.
I bought Oracle in a gap down the next day. I was like, oh my God.
This how this shit work, bro. So you close that contract when you get that bread. Now some contracts, like you said, it's just gonna, you ain't really made no bread off of that. It's just gonna lose. You're gonna lose some contract. But I'm talking about the ones that you made money
I was gonna lose. I was gonna lose my ass if I would have got into that.
I
know, boy, because that nigga said he was about to go heavy on Oracle. Yeah, that nigga would have
I think I put like $40, $30.
So I would have been in over a rack on that play.
Something in that bit.
No, indeed, no.
Yeah, I would have taken. I'm saying there was a lot in the Walmart product. I was about to throw over a rack on that.
I had to fuck with Walmart if I fuck with them.
I had to close that bit. I got a little bit of money left.
And the only reason why is because of earnings. It's gonna be all right, but yeah, you don't want none of that. I ain't got reserves. I'm doing small wars. I can't jump in straight into World War III. Give me some bullshit like the fucking, you know what I'm saying? Something I can manage.
No, but
so if that bit keep going up, you're gonna gain the money off of that $40 regardless. You're gonna gain the same money if you're probably gonna gain more because the other money decayed. You know what I'm saying? So close the contract, make a new one, man. You know what I mean? That's for the closed contracts. If you got something that's far, you can survive the dips. Probably.
Nah, you got, because you got time on your side. Even though but you also you're going to decay, but you got time. Like you said, if you got a 1 week, 1 month expire, like you better be You better be looking to close that. Like that's a day trade.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. A fast trade. Like you don't want to hold that bitch until 5 days before the expiry. Like we did that on Walmart because we know what the hell we was doing. I ain't know what data was then. We were just happy the shit was going up.
That bit was a beautiful play though.
It was.
That bit kept going until expiry. Like it wasn't even tripping. That bit did 500%. You heard it, man. Y'all probably made boo boo.
But yeah, man, that's what I learned. Don't over leverage. I should have never got into all them different plays. Like
right. You gotta really just get into my 1 or 2 plays you believe in.
I just looked at technicals on. I'm like, oh, this at a good level, but like, nah, but all the investors pushing for it is Wall Street saying this is one of the babies. Like, we're gonna help this one go up. That shit down to like a marketing situation. Like, they push who they want to the top. But yeah, Microsoft still look good. It didn't break no lows from the end of November. It just, let me see what I'm up. I ain't up on that. Microsoft, not down. Oh yeah, that been down. I ain't got no Microsoft anymore. I got this is Big Bear AI. They said,
that one kicking my ass, taking my lunch.
Bruh.
They did 10%.
Yeah, but where we bought it at.
All time highs.
Nah, big facts, nigga. Tesla, that bitch
Trash too.
fighting.
I just lost my Tesla contract. That bad closed out $0. Buku trash. No, I lied. I closed it out early. I think I closed out $20-something, but I put Buku on that bitch.
Yeah. It ain't selling off though. Not like some of these others. Like that Oracle bitch ass. Look at the gap that bitch did, boy. I bought up here. That motherfucker just said nope. Earnings was not good enough. Even though y'all beat the shit. I heard that boy Larry Ellison and other investors bought the US portion of TikTok. Or they supposed to be buying it. Like they working a deal out. Yeah, they got right here. Oracle has partnered with ByteDance or BitDance to oversee TikTok's U.S. operations, aiming to reduce the risk of a U.S. ban and ease trade tensions with China. Nigga, your stock better go to $250. I'm not even in this shit no more, so I'm not even talking about it. Fuck Oracle, man. But Oracle's still a good stock. I would definitely look. That would be one of the good one to buy. I don't know if you still on. Oh, Ant was Ant. I ain't see you was on there, brother. But I would say that would be a good one to go along on. The motherfucking Oracle. Now that it dropped and swept low, further closed in this gap over here.
Check. We good?
Yeah, you good.
Okay. What's happening, $1 Million Man?
You already
It was
know.
Pod, man.
I already know
That's
what it
good, brother.
is.
A little bit breaking it down.
Oh yeah, I hear it. I see it.
Let's see what's now with these markets. But yeah.
Nah, I heard just to touch on a little bit of what y'all was talking about though on those like those week contracts up to like a month. That's why I like the leaps and swings, because you can, when you buy now granted it is a lot more money, but when you're able to put the contracts out a little further, you get to read the chart, study the chart, and kind of know when to get in, when to get out.
Right.
Get that more room to breathe, man. You gotta let that shit
Man,
breathe, let it
yes
play out.
sir.
I said and it don't eat up your money like we was
Yeah.
talking about. It ain't decaying with that theta. The
Mhm.
theta
Not
eat
until
this
the
shit.
last 6 months.
There you go. That's what it was. Them Greeks. So I
Yeah.
got a buddy of mine at work. He talks about the thetas and the gamma, and he said get a book on it and just study it. He said if you get them data, the thetas and the gammas, also with your chart reading, that'll keep you with more wins than losses.
Nah,
And
fact.
then when you lose, you won't lose as much, but when you win, you'll win a lot more.
Yeah. Nah, that's real. That's real, because that's what we weren't understanding at first. We had to go with AI and break
Man.
it down, help us break this shit down with these Greeks about see it, but we need to understand it.
See, I'm within the month on my contract for Palantir, and it went up 37% for me, but it went down like 12%, and that 12% ate up all 37%.
Damn.
I said, that's crazy, bro.
Wait, what?
So when it goes up, it doesn't go up as much as when it goes down. But with the they, what is it? I don't know
Like because of
the
the
Greek.
volatility
Yeah,
swings
there you
and
go.
right.
Yeah.
So with them Greeks, that's another thing I want to get to studying more is on them Greeks. But yeah, my Palantir contract, man, it's like it spiked and it shot up 37%, which was like $900. But then you see that 12% go down, and I'm like, bro, I lost $1,000 right there. It's like
That's
shit.
crazy.
That is crazy. But that's 12% from the top, not from where you bought it at. So
There
that's
you
going
go.
it,
Yeah.
it hit harder. It's
Oh,
coming from a heavier weight.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
12% of 12 million is way different than 12% of
So
$12.
Man,
so the different things that probably could have happened, like if it happened over a long period of time, like if it was volatile and then that volatility just stopped for a few days, that's gonna make the contract price drop. So like your break even and shot up basically, not the break even, but for your price, the price at basically the level of where you got your contract went up basically. But if the volatility gets back swinging again, that actually makes
that's what's gonna
your
help me.
contract, come back down. Like the price will come drop back down. So,
Hello.
like, say if it dipped
Like
real
on the open
fast,
market.
if I think if
12
that
months,
bitch
he's
dip
still
real
small.
fast and then come back up real fast, that actually kind of helped because the
No,
volatility
no, 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 no,
is
no.
busting.
12 months. 12 months. 12 months. Because he still wears some
What's that?
9-month stuff.
No, you talking on the phone. But nah, I hear
Oh,
you.
my bad.
No, you good. But yeah, that is a key thing. It's the time. That's why that shit is real. Time in the market. Like, so the time is the length of these contracts that need to be further out for us to, like, like you said, study and read these charts to see when is the best time to get out versus, like, how we was kind of doing, like, oh, this bitch about to expire in 2 weeks. But, we catching good runners, but not understanding that data. And with the volume, but you said the volume shifting, that makes the contract less worthless. So that's how a 12% loss from the top could eat up what that 30-something percent did. You know, the nigga have to really start, pulling these holes further out. Like, for sure on some 6 month shit, 3 months, 6 months. They gotta get their money up on this one.
Yeah, bro.
This ain't no baby shit. This ain't no
I ain't
credit
even gonna
account
cap to you,
forex.
bro. I still feel like technically, all you gotta do is just peep it on some technical shit, right? And then when you see that bitch going in your favor, you're been like, just get out at the top. When you see that bitch hit a high, get out. Once
Yeah.
it break that high and you feel like it's gonna continue, bust a new contract down. Cause like I told you, if you do 300%, say I got a $50 contract, I done did 300%, I done made $150. You heard me? On top of my contract, on top of the 50. So now I close that out. Now I got $150. I open a new contract for $50. Because if it went up another dollar, it would have went the same percent up that is about to go now with this new $50 in there. You heard me? Because you buying the same amount of contracts. You heard me? So it don't matter. Bam. You bust that down, you buy a new one. Now all you risking is, like I said, the $50. If it go down compared to, like, if you would have waited and that bit go down on you, now you done lost the whole 300% and probably be back down to just $50. You looking like, oh man, how that happened? It's
And
just a
that's like,
possibility
that'll be
that you
like
don't
some
want to go through.
5 day
Yeah.
expiry type contract. Something for sure you about to close tomorrow
Right.
or in 3 days.
Because
Yeah,
if you
quick
buy a contract,
contracts.
let's just say you buy that contract at 50, right? And it does go up. Once you get out and try to get back in, it's not gonna be necessarily 50 for
I
you to
was
get
just
back in
about to
that
say
same
that too.
spot. Because when that price does go up and you got that profit, you gotta remember too, them contracts start going up. The price on the contract gonna go up. So that's like, so for instance, like with Palo Alto, I rinsed and repeated it 3 months in a row. I think I went 1,500 one month, 3,000 on another, and 1,500 on another. So with it, what it is you want to wait till it at least pulls back or draws back towards that window of where that your price is to get back in it. So you don't want to necessarily get in it and it goes up and then you want to keep letting it run up, because if it gets to an all-time high or a high you got a chance of a pullback. And if you get in when it goes up, it's gonna pull back. You're gonna lose that same 50 that you was just up on.
But it ain't gonna take 50% to lose it. It's
Yeah,
gonna take
nah,
10%.
it's gonna take a lot less to take that 50 than it took for that time for you to gain that 50.
Right. Yeah, nah, facts. But I'm just saying, if you think it's gonna continue, like, not if it's about to drop at the all-time high.
Oh
I
yeah,
don't
for
even
sure.
recommend getting back in for real. Just take your money. But I'm
Right.
saying, if you just wanted to hold it and you think it's a fucking risk to hold it, I would rather you just get back in with some new money and take that profit, is what I'm saying, rather than trying to sit there and hold that, knowing, your heart beating, you done made buku money.
Hey,
Take
so
that.
similar to what you're saying, instead of even taking your money out, just put a trailing stop loss. So every time your money go up,
I don't know how to do all that.
bring your stop loss up.
Yeah, how do you do that in Robinhood?
Okay, so I'm not sure in Robinhood. So the way I play it when I'm in Schwab, what I'll do
Okay,
is
I'm on Schwab as well.
so let's just say the price
Now,
is like $10 or whatever.
Right.
And I know if it goes up to $10.50, I'll put in a contract to sell it at $10 if it dips back down and goes to $10. So while it goes up, say it goes up now, it's at $11.50. I'm gonna remove that $10 contract to be sold whenever it gets there, and I'll move it up to like $11.
Right.
So now, you know what I'm saying? As it goes up, I'll move that trailing stop loss up with it.
oh, so that's what the ask is.
Mm-hmm.
You have to physically move it, or does it do it for you?
Nah, you have to move it. So basically, what you'll do is as you're watching your contract go up, let's just say, like I said, $10. It goes up 10.50. Now you put your stop at, if it goes, you want to sell at 10.25. So it don't go, you know what I'm saying, below that percentage.
Right. Yeah, I know, but I thought trailing stops was like you kind of set the parameters and it trails the price. Like you don't even touch it no
he
more.
manually
You can
trailing
do.
it.
I'm doing it manually. Yeah. So that's me doing a manual loss.
Yeah,
But they do
Because
have an automatic window.
yes, they do.
it's on
It's in
Oanda.
TradingView. It's on Oanda. It's in TradingView. So when you buy the subscriptions and shit, man, it's so easy. But it's for TradingView. What it
Oh,
is
now I'm
you
talking
really
about for
want
the
to.
options.
I
Yeah,
don't know if it's
that's
on
all of it.
Robinhood. I ain't see it on there.
I ain't seen it in
I know
Robinhood.
it's on Oanda though. Like you set the parameter and like whenever you buy it, it'll the stop loss a trail with price. So you could just sit there and watch the stop loss move as price move. But if it comes down to that stop loss, it don't move. It just stays there until it hits it, and then you out the. But if it goes up, it'll
so it
move
will
with
trigger it. It'll trigger it to pull you out.
Yeah, like the trailing
Oh,
stop loss,
y'all gotta show me that.
it'll move up.
What?
It'll
that's
move
on
up
Oanda.
with price, or it'll move down with price, no matter if you're in a sell or a buy. But when it starts to move against you, the stop loss won't go back down. It'll stay put.
Right, it stays right
If
where it's at.
where it was recently at, wherever the most recent spot it was at, because that's like the most
So
profit you would get out of
so
that.
can you for example, can you put it at, let's say, if it goes up 25%, if can you
I don't
put
know if
the
it's
stop
percent
loss?
on us. It's like pips a unit. So we
Okay,
could
pips
set it to be like like 5 pips, trail it at 5 pips, and if it
See, and that's,
go
I think
against
that's
you.
what it was. Oanda kind of ran me off last time. Like y'all was killing it, and I was just like, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I need to go find something else to do. I think Oanda was the reason I was like, man, I don't know if I could do this shit.
Oh man, shit, I love this shit.
Came
But
back 2 or 3 years later, was like, hey y'all, look, I got something.
Real tough. Yeah, that Oanda shit, it is kind of hard to grasp.
I definitely, now that
the actual platform, it ain't
right. Yeah. But see, I got a little more experience in just the skins in the game. I think I can fuck with it now. Like I can go over to it and kind of understand what's going on now. Yeah.
Same way with the knowledge of us trading Forex can go like how school was talking about running up in a position and then just taking your profit, and you can add more if it breaks out. And this would be probably more seen on like the 15-minute, the 1 hour,
and you can
maybe
see the
the 4 hour.
Yeah, you see the continuation
you can see
through
continuation for the
Man,
daily.
I'm doing that thing on honestly, it's the way I look at it, right? You get in that thing on, say you first of all, we're looking at the bigger time frame, like a 4 hour or something, the daily or something, and then you break it down to like a 15 or something to get an entry, right? So my thing is this though, if it follows the 4 hour and it closed good on the 4 hour, and then you on an hour chart, so then I'll be between the 4 hour and the hour now, and I'm like, all right, long as it continue on the hour, it continues to look good, I'm fine, right? And if it breaks out on an hour and give me a new high and I'm good, you know what I'm saying? So on the 4 hour, that's gonna look even better, right? So now in my mind, for the longer, basically what I'm trying to say is the longer you holding this trade, go to a bigger chart. So now I'm looking at it on the daily in the 4 hour instead of the hour in the 4 hour because it's just been gone. Because I've been holding it for 16 hours a day. So why would I be looking at the hour chart for an exit? You know what I'm saying? If I've been in it for 5 days, now I'm on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at the week chart and the day chart because like, why would I be looking for an entry?
What's the potential?
Even the 4 hour, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm looking at the potential where we could go, and I'm looking at the daily and the 4 hour for exits. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm hold that thing as long as you can, because now I'm realizing, bro, that's where the money like as far as like even Forex too. Like
patience. You speaking patience. That's what it
you
is.
have to just
It's
wait
just
through
being
those
patient.
swings, man.
It's one thing when I first started trading, the first company I was trading was that Palo Alto. Man, that first $200 I lost, I ran from 200, but then 2 weeks later, just understanding the game and understanding just patience, I ran up 3,000 and was like, bro, I could have ran up 7 if I would have just chilled on losing that 200.
Exactly, bro.
You was trying to revenge trade.
Yeah.
Damn, Nike
chilling.
Them niggas went negative 10% on Fridays.
Nike chilling.
Man, I can't wait till tomorrow morning. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I want to see what
it's
these
gonna be some
horrible.
It's horrible, but it's gonna be lovely. It's gonna be lovely because it's some in there that's gonna shoot up. I think with that, I think Palantir and Nvidia, what they did on Friday, I think they're gonna continue that.
Yeah, like I said, my biggest learning lesson is if you can't afford a longer expiry to make trade decisions on when to get out, then don't even get in the game. Unless if you about to do like how School said and like get a short expiry, but you know you about to get out in about 3 to 4 days.
There you go.
At the high.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, because those are cheaper. But the ones that 6 months, 8 months out, like they're a little bit more expensive. You can make
some more money off of those out of the money.
No, facts. If you especially if you pairing that with a technical play, like okay, we done sold off, but we bouncing off a strong, supply right here.
One of the things you got to put up though. You start going out, start getting into leaps and stuff like. They're a little bit more expensive, but what you're paying for is not really like the cost of the contract. You see it as like paying that cost
to put some glasses on you
time.
so you can see that chart. It's like they giving you time to let your eyes kind of, you know how you get that hazy when you first wake up and you got to kind of rub your eyes a little bit. When you put them leaps in them swings, it give you a little time to rub your eyes so you can start to see that chart. But see, like
unless you play out, because I mean you got 6 months, 8 months, you got weeks and days. As we look at the chart and analyze it for shit to play out like this. I don't think Nike gonna close the gap, but if they do, it's gonna take some weeks. So I wouldn't be trying to get no 4 week, 6 weeks like nigga, give me like 30.
Yep.
I need to give it some
breathing room. Give me till March. Give me till April. Give me 90 days.
I say do both, bro. I look at
that too.
Long term.
You definitely can day trade inside of a leap a swing.
Because you're going to see, like you said, you're going to see all of the swings. You're going to see the bottoms. You're going to be like, oh, this is the bottom right here. You know what I'm saying? Why not get a quick at the money or out the money call on that and just triple, quadruple that or whatever, and just close that right quick.
Yeah.
That's easy bread.
And shit, you never know that day trade that you doing could also get you your exit to your swing if that motherfucker run up like that.
Come on.
Right. That's true. Definitely could do both. But yeah, that's we definitely gonna see what Monday gonna bring. I mean, we approaching that last little Santa rally stretch if we could get it, but
yeah, man, I need Santa to come on through with the ho horse. I need him to come with some money. Come on, man.
Damn, Big Bear did 10%, 11%.
That's
We
what
gonna
I'm
see
saying.
Monday. We gonna see Monday.
10%.
We gonna see because I need all that shit to come back. But I ain't gonna lie, I got a lot of expiries on December 26th and more in the middle of January.
Yeah, I got Palantir January 16th. I need that to
Yeah.
come. I need that to come on back. I'm down 50% on that thing.
Damn,
Yeah, that mother was playing.
That's
I ain't gonna lie though.
3 contracts on that.
Shit, I
had seen them bottoms on that Palantir. I was like, boy, I could get a contract
all that
right here.
Walmart
Go
shit
to the
back.
top. Nope.
Right now, because it's the price on it is $6.62
Oh, nice.
on the contract.
Yeah.
So I
They
mean,
just did 4%,
down.
and it's pushing. It's trying to go for all-time highs. I think.
I needed to reach back up there. Go ahead, run back up there.
Yeah, it's looking good. I would say.
Shit, the way Nvidia talking, they had a little push too. They were
Yep.
they had a little push.
4%. Yeah, they did. Especially like chart like Nvidia. Looking at the daily, I would say that's a great buy.
That's a
That's a
super great
great
buy.
buy. Like get in there right now, Nvidia type shit.
If Nvidia even runs back to 190, you gonna make you some bread.
No, let alone going all the way to them highs, 210.
Yeah,
Like
man.
that's a great buy.
And it's not like it's unfathomable for it to even get back up to all-time highs because of the
Look at
amount
the
of
history.
news.
I scroll. Look at the history. Look at all the all-time highs has been breaking. Like, need I say more? Like,
man.
come on, nigga. Like, this is Nvidia we talking about. These niggas making chips for 2027.
Yeah.
Like, they're not even worried about 2026 no more.
Them chips.
That's done.
So the RAM, they're not even selling RAM to normal people no more. Civilians basically. They running the price up because they trying to sell it to Nvidia, OpenAI, and all these.
Damn, hold on. How much RAM costs? Let me check. Hold up. RAM better not be no $1,000 a stick
because you already know how much they were. I think I got some PC parts. I might pull a couple of them.
That's what I'm saying. I got some too, nigga. I used to sell that shit back in the day, bro. I used to run through them damn RAM.
Let me see if I can pull up something real quick.
That's crazy. What's some of them companies? High Key or some? I know Samsung produced RAM. I don't know if they still do. Or if they was one of the big players. Let me look at Samsung.
See, this is old.
These niggas. Who bought Samsung? Somebody must have bought them niggas.
They had to.
Samsung got bought out. Let's see. Yeah, Hynix. That's what it was. SK Hynix and Micron.
Micron. There you go. That's the one.
SK Hynix. I used to run through them bitches, boy. I used to be selling the shit out
there. You make you some good money too.
No, SK
memory, RAM and SSD. Prices are climbing. Here's our best.
Hynix Incorporated. Y'all niggas ain't on the stock market like that, but I guess this the chart, the daily.
Let's
None
see
of
what
this
it's.
is weird as hell. I don't think that's that.
The DDR5, the RAM. It's for gaming PCs. It said the prices have more than tripled for the PC RAM upgrades.
Damn.
Yeah, man, I
You
might just
said,
start. I might just start buying a few of them just to stockpile them, boys. Just a little bit at a time, bro. Almost like little gold coins.
nah, real time.
Some little gold coins, man. I might can't afford no, full piece of gold or a Bitcoin. I got some RAM over here.
Yeah, Micron killing it, boy. Look at that daily
There
chart.
you go. Shit.
Nigga. That nigga
Shit.
said Micron reports 13.6 billion revenue.
Mm.
That's just baby money. Them niggas about to run it the fuck up.
That's just this year.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They about to run it the fuck up.
Man, look at April. If you at April when it dipped, if you
Yeah.
had something and you just was like, all right, fuck
Everything dipped in April. That was that tariff shit.
it.
That's when that nigga was saying, I'm about to do these tariffs, fam. And everybody said, this
13.6.
is some bullshit.
Mm.
Projected sales for next quarter are 18.6. Oh, this quarterly. That's sales. My bad. Projected sales for next quarter are 18.7 billion, boosting shares by 10%.
Hey, but I mean, you think about that. If they're selling that much, that's billions of dollars in the quarter. Big billions.
Nah, facts. And you already know who buying that shit.
Mm-hmm.
You know who buying that shit. That sound like Nvidia. All of it. I thought it was somebody.
Ooh, come on, Uncle Sam. I'm gonna buy me a little 2027 contract with the tax money. And I'm gonna just sit on it and just say, all right, look, it is what it is.
Skill. A data. I think they want to be A data. I don't know. Not on the fucking NASDAQ. These hoes probably too small. Micron is one of them ones. 300 billion market cap. It just might hit a T. That's gonna be $1,000 stock easily. So it ain't done growing. Oh man, that's crazy.
Silver played me for the fool.
Yeah, I ain't look at silver. What's silver?
62.86. I was playing with silver at $40. That mug up $22 from where look, silver went down 90% for me. It got back up, it broke even, went to 11%. I said, I'm not playing with it, and I sold it. I sold it at 10%, and that was at 40 something dollars. Now it's at 62.90.
Oh my god.
For the month, it's up 35%. For 3 months, it's up 59%.
For the year to date, that shit up 139%.
I can see that. I can't even go back and play with that because it's like now I'm just gonna go in there. It's at all time highs, and it's just gonna pull back on me.
That bitch running.
That's what I'm
right
saying.
before my eyes. Like that bitch literally running right now. What the fuck is going on? So that's the first time I'm looking at this chart. Like I never really looked at silver. I've been looking at gold for years, but that's crazy.
They almost in the same.
I mean, they both. Yeah, I would say.
If you look at the charts, look at gold and silver. The charts are similar.
Gold, yeah, real similar. I mean, that's where all the money went. There's safer assets. Like a lot of people probably feel like the stock market is really at all time highs, which it is. I mean,
stock market, and then they like, oh, Bitcoin,
S&P.
what is it doing? So they try to go back to the basics.
No, big facts, and they've been on that wave for the past 2 years, just slowly. Ain't nobody really been talking about it till now. That shit been creeping up. That shit was what, $2,000 January 2024. Like, S&P still in the range, trying to break out highs. Can't do it yet. Like,
nah, it's still sitting in it.
That's what I'm saying. They can't break out of that 6,900.
Man, I just need to just touch 7,000. That motherfucker gonna run up so much. There be so many millionaires in this one. Billionaires in this one.
They ain't gonna need no stimulus package. You get something like that.
Just come on, man. Just put a little. Just say something. Say something real crazy, Trump. Shit.
He be going crazy on that Truth Social shit. That's what he be talking about. Yeah. Well, we are going to see. Anybody got a confirmation on market closures? Are the market only closed on Christmas Day? I'm trying to see. Is it Christmas Eve, half the day?
My fault. I was I'm washing dishes. I had muted myself. We open all week. We close early on Wednesday for 1:00. Friday we open up all day. Thursday we close. Yeah, that's the hours.
Yep.
Yeah. So shut it. That's what's up.
So we open. I thought
I'm
we would be open
December 26th on Friday. Every market like gap up 10%. Like Santa rally is here.
It is, man.
Wait till next week.
Wait, would you say if we do it on Monday?
No, on Friday after Christmas. That Friday open back up.
Oh,
just get everything. Just gap up 10%.
I can see that happening, bro.
Yeah, I really could too.
I mean, to be honest, stuff moving already.
It did it last Friday.
That's what I'm saying. Let it jump out this Friday, and then let's do it early Friday. Let's count Tuesday, Wednesday as Friday, early Friday. Let's do something like that. Run it up right before.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Run it up before the closure. Whore. I mean, ho.
Oh
man, I'm trying to get that money.
Yeah, man, big money on the way.
It's coming. We just gotta put it
no worries.
But we're gonna talk in the chat in the morning. See when this market open 8:30 a.m. You heard me? Better wrap this shit up.
If I'm giving out plays tonight, everybody go spam buys against JPY, whatever you do. Spam buys against JPY.
Hit them now, everybody.
But nah, that's it. Shit. Win.
That's a bet. So we're gonna see what the market about to do when it open up. Hopefully no more bleeding. All right, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all, boys.
Big millions, big money to everybody.
Yes, sir.